Hi there, and welcome to Accelerando. Accelerando displays a Go button, and then upon pressing the Go button, the module will start displaying a set of 20 number-letter pairs. There will always be exactly 20. We need to take a note of them by writing them down, or as the diffuser, you need to read them out to the expert quickly. Then the expert will have to quickly write them down. There's not really a good trick for this. You have to press go and you just got to write them down. If you have a numpad and you're skilled with it, that helps because then you can just click the letters. You don't have to worry about the numbers and then the letters. Just one hand on the numpad, one hand on the keyboard. If you don't, you'll do probably what I do, unless I get a really good run of this, is I have to do it a few times and then I can compare the sequences with each other. So we'll press go and try to take down the sequence. Okay, so I missed some because I got a little tripped up there. An important thing to note is that all of these numbers only appear once. So from 1 to 20 you will have 20 unique numbers. And then you will have 20 unique letters, although you can have up to 26 letters total, so you'll get a selection of those 26 in the form of 20 paired with the numbers. Let's try again. Okay, so that wasn't the cleanest one, but we did get quite a few values, and if we click through them, we can see which ones we already have. If we're getting matches, that's good. 9 at Delta is new. 20 India, 14 Lima, 6 Zulu is new. 2 Papa, 17 Whiskey is new. Let's check. Now we should have 20 values exactly, that's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If we wanted to specifically check, we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, assuming we have the unique letters, we have exactly the values we need. Now we need to find the alphabetic position for the letters in each pair and calculate the differences between the two values. What this manual doesn't state is that these need to be in absolute position, and the order right now doesn't matter, you can keep them exactly the same. So 4 minus Mike doesn't give you -9, it's just 9. If you had Mike 4, it would still give you 9. The negative symbols don't matter at all. I would recommend taking them out. Just give the pure value of it. So 2 Papa is 14, 20 India is 11, 15 Juliet is 5, 16 X-ray is 8, 14 Lima is 2, 1 Bravo is 1, 7 Oscar is 8, 11 Echo, 6, 5 Sierra, 14, 3 Golf is 4, 19 Victor is 3, yes, 18 Yankee is 7, 13 Romeo is 5, 10 Nancy is 4, 12 Charlie is 8, 9. Uniform is 13. 9 delta is 5. And so on. We have to calculate all of these though. 20. And finally 17. Whiskey is 6. Now we take these values in order and reorder them from least to greatest and remove the first of every duplicate. Well, remove all but the first of the duplicates. Basically, if there's more than one of a number, we just take one of that number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 2 5s here, but we only take one of them. 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 14, 20. Now, in this list, this organized list of final values, you'll always have at least 12. But you can have up to, I'm not sure how many, 15 or 16 is the most I've had. It all depends on how these letter number pairs pan out. In theory, I guess, well, you couldn't have 20 because they've got to overlap somewhere, right? So you'll have at least 12 though. So that's 4, 8, 12, and we have a 13th and 20. Now we go through this list and we take the third value, 3, the 6th value, 6, the 9th value, 9 in this case. It's working out so well. And the 12th value, 14. Almost had it there. Now this is could be confusing. You need to press the letter that's next to these numbers. Very simple statement that doesn't quite explain it all the way. Basically this 3, we need to look back up here at the 3 golf and then press golf when it comes up. Same for this 6 is Zulu. Same for this 9 is Delta. Same for this 14 is Lima. So when we press go, we need to click right on the letter on the right side. We have to press Golf, Zulu, Delta, Lima, wherever they come up. It's worth noting that if you miss the first one, don't hit the other ones. Just let the sequence play, let it come back, because otherwise if you only hit 3 but not all 4, you'll get a strike. Also, if you click incorrectly on one of them, because you're not fast enough, you'll get a strike. So you've got to be like lightning, and you've got to sort of have the zoo mentality, where you're repeating them in your head while you're looking at the sequence. Just try it out. GZDL. GZDL. D. GZL. 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 L. GZ. 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 There we go. And that should solve the Accelerando. There's a lot of bits, there's a lot of finicky parts going around kind of everywhere, but for the most part, if you can get the values correct in a read through, it should take about 3 on average to get every single value, even if you only get the first half of the values in, and you can't get some of the later ones. Again, if you get stuck and you miss a value, just get back on track and try to get whatever you can from the rest of this sequence, because you'll want to compare them every single time. Because you'll make typos, you'll put the wrong letters in. That's why knowing that there's exactly 20 values and all the numbers and the letters have to be different from each other is important. So, let's demonstrate one more Accelerando now that you've had a good one. And we'll repeat the same process just to get a sense of working differently. So here we go. That's pretty good. I think this was 10R, but I'll check. That could be 10E, I guess. It's a pretty good set. We'll run it again. Oh, I think I got all of them that time. Wow. So this, what was it, 10R is correct. I think that all of these values are correct. I think that I got a good run on them. I shouldn't have any repeats. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna trust that though, because I felt like I got everything in pretty cleanly. So let's go with this. Okay, alphanumeric comparison. Golf 3 is 4. Yankee 7 is 18. 16 uniform is 5. 18 Juliet is 8. 13 Sierra is 6. Hotel 2 is 6. Charlie 4 is 1. Kilo 14 is 3. Quebec 19 is 2. 17 Zulu is 9. 8 Papa is 8. 10 Romeo is 8. An Oscar is 4. 9 Victor is 11. 12. 13. 13. Foxtrot. You can tell I'm not the best at math. Why I signed up for Accelerando? I can teach it though. 5 X-ray is 19. 20 Delta is 16, and 5 Mike is 8. We'll take these now in their order from least to greatest, ignoring duplicates. 5, 6. We have a 7. No, we have an 8. No, not. We do have a 9. No, 10. We have 13, 14, 16, 19, 18, 19. Excuse me. Make sure we have our, it's at least 4, 8, 12, 13. Great. And again, they do vary. We've had 2 13s in a row, and we've had pretty good overall number sequences, but you've seen the numbers do vary, the letter combinations do vary. So it's important to keep an eye out and just check it every time. So 3rd value, 6th value, 9th value, 12th value is 18, and our letters then will be, our 3 is golf, our 6 is, that's not good. Oh, see, we have a 5-5 discrepancy there, so let's really quickly run Accelerando again. And we're going to look for X-ray and Mike. One of them is wrong. We don't need all the rest of the sequence. We just need the X-ray Mike because one of them was misreported by me. 6 Mike, that should be it. And then 5 X-ray, yes. So 6 Mike is 7. That does change our answer. Now we have 14 values. So this changes to 9, and our changes to 16. So we have golf, our 6 is Mike specifically, our 9 is Victor, and our 16 is uniform. So we need GMVU. 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 GMV. GMU. 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 MU. MU. Let's hope that's right. And there we go. So it's really important to check if you can, or if you come across a number and there's a duplicate like we saw with 5 X-ray 6 Mike. Turned out to be really important. Sometimes you might miss it and it might affect the sequence anyway. We would have gotten a different answer for the last 2 especially if we hadn't checked that, or if we'd just chosen one of X-ray or Mike and said, oh, it's fine. So important to check that. Make sure you have your read correct. Don't be shy about asking your diffuser if they can repeat it once more for you. That's about it. Accelerando is a tough module, but you practice a little bit with a good diffuser and you get a coordination going. You know how to tackle the module. I think it's very solvable. Hopefully that helped you understand it a little better. I hope my examples were helpful to you. If you need anything else, if you want me to do this more, if you want me to try a different example, let me know. But for now, thanks for watching, and now you know how to solve Accelerando.